Here's how to hide and protect your Apple ID using screen time in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. This doesn't delete your Apple ID, it locks and hides access to Apple ID settings, so others can't view or change them. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure the toggle is on. Scroll down to Allow Changes, then tap Accounts. Select Don't Allow. Enter your Screen Time passcode to confirm. Go back to the main settings page. You'll notice Apple ID options are now grayed out and locked. No one can. Open Apple ID settings. Sign out. Change account details without the screen time passcode. To access Apple ID again, you must re-enable account changes using the screen time passcode. And that's it. That's how to hide your Apple ID on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips.